Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix No Man's Sky error. No Man's Sky has encountered an error and will now shut down. Crash ID error. So if you are getting this error, then here follow the fixes to fix this error. The first fix is to rename or delete the tkgraphicsettings.mxml file. So what you have to do, open Steam, go to library, right click on No Man's Sky game. This is just an example I am showing with another game. Then click on manage and then click on browse local files. Now when you click on browse local files, it will take you to the game installation folder. Then open binaries folder and then open settings folder. Inside settings folder you will find this tkgraphicsettings.mxml file. First create a backup, so right click on it, copy it and then go to desktop and paste it. Now once you have created the backup of this file, then right click on it and click on option rename and at the last type .old. Now you can launch the game and check, or you can simply right click on tkgraphicsettings.mxml and select delete option to delete it, or after deleting it you can then launch the No Man's Sky game and check. Now this has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. If not, then go to the second solution. Second solution is to stop the audio service before launching the game and enable the audio as soon as you launch the game. So what you have to do, in Windows search type services and open it. Now here look for Windows audio. Once you find the Windows audio, right click on it, then click on stop. Then go ahead and launch the game and then go to the services tab again. Right click on Windows audio and select start. And I hope this will fix the issue. If not, then try fix 3. You can try it -dx11 or -dx12 in the launch option. So open Steam, go to the library, right click on No Man's Sky game. This is just an example. Go to properties. In the launch option type -dx11. Close the tab, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to properties. This time type -dx12. Close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to properties, remove the command from the launch options. Then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fourth fix is to verify the game file. So open Steam, go to library, right click on No Man's Sky game and select properties. This is just an example. Then go to install files, then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% verification of the files is completed, then you can launch the game and check. So these are the fixes by which you can fix No Man's Sky has encountered an error and will now shut down. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.